Hello friends, monsoon has started already. We can all enjoy this monsoon with the funny drawing. To draw frog, I make oval for its face. These two curved lines will be the front legs and these two back legs. Then I will draw the fingers. Now make small oval for its eye. It's raining outside, so they are very happy. So make a smile for them. Now draw a stone on which it will sit. Next we will draw the second frog. I can see it from the side way, so that will be look different. Okay. Let's see how you have to draw. Now I will draw a frog which is not sitting in a one place. It is jumping over the water. Okay. These are the front legs. It has to stretch its back leg as it is jumping. So, I draw its back leg in a different manner. Okay? This line differentiates the sky part and water body part. This is again the stone and these are the leaves. Now I will draw a lotus which will be very bright in color and our drawing will be very nice for that. We have to make some clouds which will give us the rain. Now I will draw the outlines with black sketch pen. Before starting color, I will erase all the pencil mark. It will clean our drawing. I have used these colors from the Camlin 50 color set box. I will use both light blue and grey color for the sky part, and this grey color will help the sky looks like a cloudy one. First, I will do the bordering with these two colors. Then I will fill with these two colors. First, doing the bordering will ensure that the color will not go inside other object. Now I will mix these two colors with the help of paper napkin. I will use dark grey and grey color for the cloud, and I will mix these two colors with the help of white colors. I have used blue sketch pen to mark the upper surface of the water. Now I will use the oil pastels to fill the water part. Now I will color the middle frog with olive green and light green. Next, I will color those stones with light brown and brown color, and also I will use sharp green for the stone. I will color the other frog with very bright colors. Now time to color the lotus and leaves. Again I will use very bright color which will give very funny look to this frog. Next, I will use acrylic white color to show the raindrops. Give the few details of the raindrops with blue colors. Hope you've enjoyed this funny drawing of rainy season. Thank you.